Robert Lunte here from CourseCREEK. Now, normally, if I wanted to talk to you, I'd have to record videos like this over and over again. And let's be honest, after about the 17th take, I'm not even sure what I'm saying anymore. But here's where things get interesting. With AI, I can actually generate versions of myself that speak for me. And not just in English, I can switch languages and even voices, without recording the video again. For example, right now I'm going to say the same thing in Spanish. Y lo interesante es que este video no lo grabé de nuevo. La inteligencia artificial lo generó por mí. Let me switch again, this time into Japanese. 例えばこのビデオは新しく録画されたものではありません。AI によって生成されたものです。And the wild part is, it still sounds like me, it still looks like me, but I didn't have to be here to record it. So if you're creating content in training or selling anything online, this completely changes what's possible because you don't need more time. You just need more you, and now you can scale that.